It's about 3:40 p.m. on December 4th, 2025. This is Steve Jones. I'm a resident here of Legendwood, enjoying the nature of our Legendwood home. I've been out in the neighborhood taking photographs of the green space, the beautiful green space that surrounds, is part of our Legendwood development. I urge everybody to get out, pay attention, and enjoy this relative nature oasis in the midst of a booming, expanding, explosive Madison area where we live. We're blessed to be here. I hope you can enjoy it as much as I do.